Hello everyone, Adam Eliakub here. Hope you're doing fine. Today I'll be telling you guys how your business can survive during this pandemic period. So stay tuned and let's go. Due to the pandemic, a lot of businesses have been shut down or are not working to their full capacity. Many businesses were not ready for the sudden financial decline. So a lot of businesses did not plan for this and are still struggling to adapt to the current situation, in which safety comes to mind first before taking any action or decision. I've done some research and I've come up with 5 things you need to implement for your business to survive during this pandemic. The world has never experienced something like this before, whereby the world is in total lockdown. One begins to wonder how one's business can survive such conditions. But for every problem we find ourselves in, there is always a solution. It might not be comfortable or it might be very hard to implement. But with these 5 things I'm about to tell you, if implemented properly, your business can survive in this hard time. Because no one knows when this is going to end. We hope it is going to end very soon, but for the meantime, one needs to adapt to survive. So let me tell you what you need to do for your business to survive this pandemic. First of all, you need to change. You need to change your business. Your business has to be online, because the only thing that has not been shut down now in the world is the internet. So your business has to be online. It has to be on the internet for it to survive. You need to change the mode of operation of your business. If before you don't offer delivery services, now is the time to offer delivery services, because people cannot go out. And you need to bring up a system whereby your staff can work from home. You need to change your price, because now people are focused more on essential items, because people are looking at how to survive. They see everything else as luxury. So your prices need to go down. And please, even if you're selling essential items, please do not put your prices up, because a lot of people are not earning money in this lockdown period. We need to help each other. And if your business is not the type of business that can survive this period, you need to change the business you are in. You need to venture into other things that can survive during this period. So change is really important in this period we are in for you to survive. Secondly, you need to focus on safety. A lot of people are worried now because of the virus. So safety is key. So you need to show people the safety precautions you are taking in your manufacturing process, your packaging, and how safe it is for people to consume your product. If you're selling food products, you need to seal the packaging very well so that people would be very comfortable consuming your product. You can focus on selling safety items such as hand gloves, sanitizer, and face masks. These are safety items that are selling now. It is something you can go into right now. It is not capital intensive. Thirdly, you can go into food and essential items, because these are things we cannot survive without. Instead of selling ready to eat food items, you should focus more on ready to cook food items, because people are more inclined towards cooking it themselves because of safety. People are scared. They don't really know how hygienic your product is. So it is better for them to cook it themselves. Sell food items that build the immune system, because now people are focused on how to build their immune system in case they contact the virus, their body can fight it, because we don't have a cure right now. So you need to focus on that too. Fourthly, education, because people are looking online on how to learn new things or how to improve on their skills. So this is something you can really look into, how to educate people online. You can teach them new skills, maybe how to produce a particular product. It can be anything, and you can charge people for it online, but you have to keep in mind people are sensitive to price right now. You have to get the pricing right. It doesn't have to be very expensive, because people are focused on how to survive right now. So you can do some free classes for people to create awareness. Later on, you can now charge people to pay for the online classes. Lastly, entertainment, because bad news is just everywhere. People are affected mentally. We are tired of bad news. You need to entertain us. Please entertain us. You need to look at ways you can entertain people with your product, like what Maggi is doing now. They are doing an entertaining series on how to cook using Maggi for Ramadan. It is entertaining, at least we are taking our mind off COVID-19. But there are so many ways you can entertain people with how to use your product or services. We need it. We need entertainment. That's it for today, and I hope these few points will help your business survive. And I hope everything will be back to normal as soon as possible. And I pray we all come out of this stronger and better. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with your competition. We need each other right now.